Hello again, people of YouTube. The channel's called Random Car, so it's not all going to be about bikes or camper vans or whatever. So, in this video, I'm going to make a spice rack out of plywood. I've got plenty of bits of old plywood lying around in here, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Well, this is a bit I plan on using. Should be bit enough wood in there. What I've got planned. First off, I'm going to rip this down into 30cm lengths along to here, or well, as far as I need to go. So I'll do that first. Right, that's all the wood cut, I think, or nearly. I've obviously got a cut on the bandsaw now and work out how I'm going to do this. Hopefully it all makes sense when it's finished, but at the moment you're probably thinking we've got a stack of planks of wood and a load of sort of bits of kindling, and all that's left of that big sheet of ply is those few bits there. So I think it'll hold the jar of cinnamon up. So I'll try and work out how to do this next. Right, I've marked it out, the top one. This is a bit I want to keep, basically. Inside of that line there, I want to keep all this. Hopefully, I'll be able to do it on the bandsaw. So, I'll see if I can get this camera set up somewhere so you can see, if you're interested in seeing, to be honest with you. Right, I've sort of mocked it up a bit now. I think I've got everything cut I need to cut. Obviously it's a bit rough around the edges. I've got to sand it and grind it and God knows what, but hopefully you get an idea of how it's going and what it's going to be like. I've still got, obviously these are going to go in the back. Not very good at doing stuff, well not very good at doing it with two bloody hands anymore. That's another hoop there. Oh, yeah. That's why it will stick to making Ford Focus bits fit BMW bikes. Obviously the back will be full of these things as well. And then what I'll do is I'll continue up here. Just trying to suss it out in my head. Right. Yeah, this is a lot to be done yet. I think I'll call that it for today. The alternative is to make it out of matchsticks, isn't it, really? Right, that's the one side piece glued up. The other side piece, one shelf and the other shelf. And then I've got to obviously glue all these together to make the back up. But I haven't got enough clamps not to do that, I don't think. No. So what I'll do is I'll leave it. You're going to need that one and that one, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to leave it for tonight and resume either tomorrow or the next day or a week's time or when I can be out again. But to you it will seem instantly because I'll continue the video from here. Right, here we are. They've all glued up now, and all ready. They're not that level, but just put the camera in. They're not that level, but I can trim that up on the bandsaw, I think. Right, there's one. Obviously it needs a bit of sanding work done to it. I'll do the other one and then we'll be back. Okay, got this now glued up in the vise. It's got to come up a bit further. Obviously these are going on there and then the other layer's going on. But that said, that does look rather tall, doesn't it? No, but yeah. It's been a few weeks since I started this, and I haven't done it for a few weeks, and I must get it finished. Right, this is where we're at with this now. This is the top half all glued up in the vise drying. And this is the bottom half. That's what I haven't glued the ends on yet. They're got to go on. They will go on when I put the two halves together. Right, it's all glued up now. Just waiting to set across here, and I've just got these two bits to put in there, and a bit of tidying up. And I don't know what I'm going to finish it in yet, but it's not looking too bad now. Right, that now I think pretty much ready for covering in this stuff. So I'll do that. The back's not particularly pretty, but you're not going to see that. Right, there we have it. I'll give it a coat of the old Danish oil. A little bit. I used the wrong filler. It's too white, but I'm not rubbing that out. That'll have to do. It's not come out too bad. It's a bit uneven in places, but sort of my first attempt at this sort of thing, really. So I'm quite pleased. We'll see what. I can put me old spices in it. Look. I've got more spices than just half a jar of cinnamon that went out of date in 2018. Cheers, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want and all that stuff. Bye.